Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Be Quiet Pure Base 501 mainstream PC case series. So friend, Be Quiet has announced a brand new mainstream case series at Gamescom Expo. So friend, the Pure Base 501 is aimed at users who are looking for a very flexible case with compact dimension and who appreciate a timeless traditional design without ARGB feature. In the case support motherboard with ATX, micro ATX and mini ATX form factor, and cooling is handled by two Pure Wing 3140 PWM fans in the front and rear of the case, and water cooling radiator are supported up to 360 in Pure Base 501 support. Optional vertical graphics card installation and decouple double HDD version. Double HDD cage is included for versatile storage option and clever and the clever cable routing design keeps the interior TD like its predecessor. Pure Base 501 is available in silver version for maximize silence. The case is available in black version with a closed front and steel side panel, and version aimed at maximum airflow with mesh front and without. Window side panel are available in black and white. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.